Story on this Wednesday night, huge news in the fight against COVID. The FDA has now approved booster shots for all 3 vaccines here in the U.S.
And the FDA will also allow people to mix COVID booster shots. This is something people have been asking about for quite some time. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aaron Edwards is joining us right now with the latest developments. Aaron?
Aaron and Mark, this means no matter which vaccine you got originally, you'll be able to get any of the 3 for your booster. But before providers can give booster shots, the CDC has to sign off.
It's great. The quicker and whatever they can do to get people vaccinated fully, the better.
The FDA gave Moderna and J&J boosters the green light today, a move experts say will make it easier for those who are eligible to get the booster shot.
You have to qualify either by age, being high risk for severe COVID. So, people 18 to 64 who are at that higher risk, people who have frequent job-related exposure.
The FDA says those who are eligible for the booster could get whichever shot is available to them.
The NIH did some pretty interesting clinical trials that looked at combining different COVID vaccines in form of booster vaccines. The safety data showed that, yes, you can in fact have this kind of mixed match strategy.
Now, the timing for these 3 shots is different. The FDA says those who got the J&J single shot vaccine should get a second dose at least 2 months following their first shot. And the FDA approved Moderna and Pfizer boosters for eligible people 6 months after their last shot. One big difference with the Moderna booster, the FDA says it'll only be half the dose that's used for the first 2 shots.
In those clinical trials, they found that the risk-benefit ratio between how much to give someone, but at the same time to avoid those kind of crappy side effects that people get sometimes.
The CDC plans to hold a panel tomorrow to finalize official recommendations for who should get boosters and when.
Moving us forward to being a fully boosted society is the right thing to do right now.
Another change to vaccine eligibility tonight. Emergency use authorization could happen as early as November for kids ages 5 to 11. The White House is preparing 15 million vaccine doses for children in that age range. Now, officials say they plan to work with pediatricians, pharmacies, and schools to distribute the vaccines. Reporting live in the studio, Aaron Edwards, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.